BrightBite.
Hey there, Style Sorcerer! You've made it to part 4 of our CSS quest, ready to unlock new styling spells. Today, we're learning about classes and IDs in CSS. Imagine you have a room full of magical creatures, the HTML elements. Now, how do you tell CSS which ones to style? That's where classes and IDs come in. Class. A class is like a team badge. Lots of elements can wear it, and they all get the same magical makeover. We use a dot to represent class names. But what if there's one special element you have to style? You use an ID, a unique label that's meant for just one item. We use hashtags to represent IDs. Why do we use class and ID? Use classes when many elements need the same look, like all potions glowing green. Use an ID when just one item, like the king's crown, needs styling. When are classes and IDs used? Classes are used all the time. They're powerful and reusable, but save IDs for those rare, important moments. And who gets to use them? Every web designer uses classes and IDs to make pages neat, smart, and magical. That's all for today. Soon we'll come up with more interesting topics. Until then, keep practicing, champ. Bye-bye.